Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather&Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a shelf using shapes from the catalogue. I'm going to take my industrial kitchen design and add some open shelving. I'm going to be using one of the catalogue's geometric shapes. I'm going to search for a wall-docked square. By using a wall-docked item, it means I'll be able to add accessories and products to my shape when it becomes a shelf. I'm going to insert the shape on my wall using the blue highlight to show me when it is snapped to the adjoining object. I'm then using the resize function to adjust as needed. I'm then going to use the clone tool to create a second shelf, again using the resize buttons to make it suit my design. I'm now going to add a texture from the catalogue to make the shape look like a wooden shelf. I can now start adding accessories to the shelves. I've used the catalogue to search for various kitchen accessories and products. I've then added them to my shortlist so I can decorate quickly without searching each time. You can see I'm using the various resize, rotate and free movement functions to make sure all the items I'm adding are suited to my shelves. I'm also making use of the different textures available in the left-hand side panel to customise the items and make them bespoke to this design. I'm now going to render the design by going to the top right-hand corner. I'm going to adjust the internal and external lighting on the left-hand side panel and the bottom right sun. Then, in the middle of the screen, I will click Get Preview. Once I'm happy with my design, I will take the render, again bottom middle of the screen. I'm using the 4K option for best quality. Here are the finished renders and designs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below and see you in the next video.